Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OE level. Today, we shall discuss question number 9 of paper 1 pure mathematics session by June 2023. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use the word my topper student. You will find the channel my topper student. In order to get for online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. In question number 9, the second term of a geometric progression is 16 and the sum to infinity is 100. Part A, find the two possible value of the first terms. So first of all, for the part A, we shall share some knowledge sharing. Like we know that geometric progression is AR square, AR cube and so on. And sum to infinity of the geometric progression is formula is signed sum to infinity equal to a over 1 minus r. According to the condition of the question, as given, the second term is equal to 16 because the second term is this one, ar, second term. Ar is equal to 16 and sum to infinity is 100. So 100 is equal to a over 1 minus r. After simplification, put the value of a equal to 100 into 1 minus r in 1, we get, after simplification, we get 10 r square, 100 r square minus 100 r plus 16. By putting the value in the quadratic formula and after simplification, we get r equal to 4 over 5 and 1 over 5 after simplification. So from question 1, as ar is equal to 16, when r is equal to 4 over 5, we get a equal to 20. And when r is equal to 1 over 5, we shall put this value at this position. We get a equal to 80. So the value of the first terms are a equal to 20 and a equal to 80. For the part B, show that the nth term of one of the two possible geometric progression is equal to 4 raised to the power n minus 2 multiplied by the nth term of the other geometric progression. So, for the solution of B part, we shall show that according to this condition, we have 4 raised to the power n minus 2. So, in the B part of the question, from part A equal to 20 and A equal to 80. As second term is equal to 16, after simplification we get r equal to 4 over 5. We know that the nth term of the geometric progression is a n equal to a raised to the power n minus 1. For the first term, according to the condition of the question, un equal to a r raised to the power n minus 1. By putting the value of a and r, again for the second progression, putting the value of a and r as you can see on the screen. According to the given condition of the question, the nth term of the first is equal to 4 raised to the power n minus 2 nth term of the second progression. So by putting the value of the un and vn as we have calculated in the above step, when we move this term on the left hand side, we get 4 raised to the power n minus 2. Left hand side is 20 over 80, 4 over 5 whole raised to n minus 1 over 1 over 5 whole raised to n minus 1. After simplification, we get 4 raised to the power n minus 1 by 4, and by using the index law, we get 4 raised to the power n minus 2, the required term. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A-level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.